Fix Windows Update problems, 2 simple methods that work. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you 2 super simple methods to fix Windows Update issues on your PC. Let's jump right into it. Method 1, use the Windows Troubleshooter. First, go to your search bar and type Troubleshoot Settings. Click on it when it shows up. 2, now inside the Troubleshoot settings, click on Other Troubleshooters. 3, scroll down until you see Windows Update, then click Run next to it. This will launch the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter, which will automatically check your system for any update-related problems. Just wait a moment while it scans. If it finds anything wrong, it'll try to fix it for you automatically. Once it's finished, check to see if your issue is resolved. If not, don't worry. Let's move on to Method 2, which is a bit more advanced but very effective. Method 2. Use Command Prompt for deep repair. 1. Go back to the search bar, type cmend. 2. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. When the Command Prompt window opens, type this command and press Enter. SFC/scannow. This will start a system file scan and repair any corrupted or missing files. It might take a few minutes. 3. Once that scan is done, type the following command and press Enter. DISM Online Cleanup Image RestoreHealth. This runs a deep scan using DISM to fix even more system issues. Don't worry about memorizing the commands. I've added all the codes in the video description, so you can easily copy and paste them after watching. Once everything is complete, just restart your computer. That's it. Your Windows Update problems should be fixed now. If this helped you out, do me a favor. Smash that like button, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Let me